Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add notes to home screen on iPhone. Now, if you don't have the notes here already, I want you to head over to the app library, go ahead and type here notes, and then you're going to go ahead and long press and basically bring that notes here to wherever you want. So in my case, I've already added that here. So from here, what you're going to do is just long press on that particular icon, and then you're going to scroll down and you should be able to see this big icon here, right? Just like so. And then let's go ahead and make this thing dance a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and tap here somewhere. We're going to go ahead and click this. And then we're going to go ahead and click folders. Here we are going to select which notes we're going to be seeing. So would it be the iCloud or on my iPhone? I'm going to go on my iPhone, for example. And then, yeah, once done, I can go ahead and click here somewhere. And you should see that now we have the notes here. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, basically anywhere, and then somehow add a new one. So I'm going to click on new icon. All right. So here is a sample. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click the checkbox right here. Close this, and you can see that now we have the new note that we have just added. And yep, that's how you're going to add notes to home screen on iPhone.